Alright, so we got some soda cans here that we're fixing to crush. And yeah. So we're gonna I'm just gonna make a little video showing y'all guys me crushing cans. So watch and enjoy. Alright, can number 1. And by the way, I moved the can crusher from this wall over to this wall because it was falling off of that wall, so we moved it over here. And this ain't really a wall, it's a cabinet actually. And if you hear a dryer in the background, we got laundry going, so that's what that noise is. There's 2 cans. I almost knocked my phone out of my hand. Okay. I lost track of how many cans I crushed already. Two more. Whoops! Oh, that one did not want to crush, did it? Alright, so alright, this is the last, and the dryer's done. Hey! Now it's beeping. Lovely. And there you have it.